Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to show you how to flat twist 4C Afro hair. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. And while you're at it, the notification bell. Step 1. Spritz my hair with water, which is the liquid stage that is going to allow me put products into my hair, which will moisturize my hair. The next step is the cream. So I'm putting a liquid based moisturizer into my hair to infuse moisture before I do my protective style. And I'm distributing the product through my hair using my hands and using the scrunching method. I'm scrunching the product into my hair. Step 3, I part my hair in the middle into 2 equal sections using a rat tail comb. You can use a mirror to guide you when you're doing this and use your nose as the base for the middle. And then for the back, I mainly just feel it with my fingers and try and separate my nape into 2 sections. Step 4, or your scalp. This ensures that when the hair is pulled on both sides, that the scalp that is open is not dry or flaky. Step 5. Brush down and detangle thoroughly. So I'm brushing the oil that was on my scalp and all the other products into my hair, and I'm detangling with an Afro comb. Ignore the fact that it's coming really fast here. That's because I sped up the footage, but I'm actually detangling it gently with an Afro comb. I shouldn't really detangle it this way, but this was a day that I was hurrying. Step 6. I add the gel wax into my hair. This wax would lay down my edges and hold the style in place, as well as sealing all the moisture that I've put in. However, this gel wax contains an ingredient which isn't great for the environment, which is silicones. It contains dimethicone. At the time I recorded this video, I did not realize this, so I do not use this product any longer. An optional step would be to stretch your hair with heat, but ensure that you are using a good heat protectant to protect your hair from any damage. Now, the next step is the main step, which is to start your twist. So when doing your flat twist, you are going to act like you're doing a 2-strand twist that is laying flat on your scalp. So basically what you'll be trying to do is to ensure that you're incorporating the hair on the scalp into this twist. So every time you do a twist, you're adding hair from both sides, either the left or the right, depending on what side you are. Adding hair in small bits at a time would encourage your twist to be more defined and neater. It will also encourage your twist to look tighter, and it will be less likely to become messy quickly. Yes, my hand actually hurts. As much as I've been doing hair for such a long time, sometimes the positioning of my hands can actually hurt. So in place of the gel wax, you can use other products like maybe butters. Thick butters would also be able to help you hold your style in place without having any damaging effects to your hair or to the environment. So I encourage you to look for more natural and ethical products when doing your protective style. So the final step would be to repeat everything you've done on the other side. A little background story to this look. The reason I chose to flat twist was because on the day I recorded this video, I had an interview and I was just about to do my hair, so I just brought my camera out and I filmed the whole look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it's giving you a guide on what kind of easy protective styles you can do. As usual, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.